Hello, what's up guys? Once again, welcome back to my channel. And that is extended highlight between Arsenal against Real Madrid in UEFA Champions League quarter-final first leg at Emirates Stadium. Arsenal beating Real Madrid 3-0, and the Arsenal goals scored by Deklan Rайс and Mikель Merino. So please like and subscribe. Enjoy it.